I do get a lot of questions when I go into companies and they're asking, well, you're going to take my job. And the idea is not to take jobs, it's to basically make their job easier.
I don't think robots will replace people as such. I think people will be relocated into jobs that will, maintain, monitor.
I mean, I think the unexpected side of it is for robots, the people to actually interact with the robots. First of all, the staff members around the robots are very, very negative about them. But soon they become very interactive with the robots. They even sometimes give them names.
They're going to take over the menial and repetitive jobs, and we'll be able to upskill the workforce.
I mean, there's some manufacturers out there that have put 600 robots into a factory, and they've had to increase their staff by 50% to keep up with the product supply that the robots can do.
There's an assumption that they'll be hidden away in a cage, that they're incredibly dangerous, that they're very difficult to program, they're very expensive to install.
We're now at that time where they are coming into the workplace and it's people getting familiar with them and accepting them, and then they will be just parlour furniture.
Well, we have children in schools that program these robots now. They're so simple to use, it's unbelievable. In the UK, we traditionally have always been quite far behind other countries with robotics. I think we have 33 robots for every 10,000 people in work over here, and Japan is 232 robots for every 10,000, and we've got to catch up.
We're finding that customers are finding them easy to program themselves. They're using them in environments where a large degree of safety guarding isn't required. People are becoming much more comfortable using robotics and being in and around them in the workplace.
With the universal robots that we offer, you don't have to worry about understanding how to program in Python, for example, or Java. They're a simple move and drag robot, hand guide into position, set the position and say okay, and it's done.
In the UK, we have a reluctance to automate. We need to understand automation and the power that it gives us. We need to be more cost effective in the deployment of our automation, and we need to have less fear. The more that we can help break down those barriers, the sooner that we will be able to help UK manufacturing become more cost effective and more competitive globally.